I wanted to take a look at bills that became law without the governor's signature. In California, our governor has three options when a bill reaches the governor's desk. Sign the bill, and it becomes a statute. Veto the bill, and it obviously does not become law unless the legislature is able to override that veto. Or a pocket signature rule, meaning the governor can allow a bill to become law without the governor's signature. Now, these three options are set forth in our state constitution in Article 4, Sections 10A and 10B. And as a result of these provisions of our Constitution, if the governor doesn't act on a bill within the specified time period, which is generally 12 days, except at the end of the legislative session when the time period is extended to roughly 30 days, a bill will become law without the governor's signature if he or she chooses not to act on the bill. Has this occurred before? The answer is yes. However, Governor Gavin Newsom, now 7 years into his maximum of 8 years, has not chosen this course of action, or perhaps non-action. A number of prior California governors have, in fact, done so. Looking over the past quarter century, in the 1999 legislative session, Governor Davis allowed 5 bills to become law without his signature. The first was AB 376 by Floyd relating to weights and measures, AB 648 by Strickland relating to dance studio lessons, AB 676 by Brewer on property taxation, AB 1253 by Nakano on health, and AB 1323 on public employee retirement. In 2000 legislative session, Governor Davis allowed another 5 bills to become law without his signature. Senate Bill 342 by McPherson on the Bipartisan Commission on the PRA of 1974. SB 1885 by Johnston on pawnbrokers. AB 974 by Pappen on the Political Reform Act of 74. AB 2018 by Thompson on controlled substances, and AB 2811 by Pacheco on school facilities. In the 2002 legislative session, Governor Davis allowed 2 bills to become law without his signature. Senate Bill 1835, the Budget Committee on State Government, SB 1889 by Johanneson on taxation. Then we had to jump to the 2011 legislative session when Governor Brown allowed 1 bill to become law without his signature, AB 412 by Williams on emergency medical services. In the 2014 session, Governor Brown allowed, again, just 1 bill to become law without his signature, SB 1272 by Lieu on campaign finance. And in the 2016 legislative session, the last time that a bill became law without a governor's signature, Governor Brown allowed 2 bills to do so. Senate Bill 254 by Allen on voter instruction on campaign finance, and SB 1182 Galgiani on controlled substances. So in the last 25 years, 9 assembly bills and 7 Senate bills, for a total of 16 bills, have become law without a gubernatorial signature.